to Dechain and to decolonize Africa. Dechaining Africa and decolonizing Africa plus decolonizing Africa. This is the topic today by the professor of all the world professors. Therefore, I, the RUDA president, I, Barafinda Sekikubo Fred, I, the RUDA founder, the RUDA international representative. Here I am, here in Africa, here in the country of 1,000 heroes, so-called Rwanda. Rwanda means large country. This large country you see and you hear in the loud sounding name in the whole world. Rwanda experienced wide and tough history since time immemorial. There is open history of Rwandans, and however side there is hidden Congo history unmentioned or unmentionable. One may be positive history but not benefiting Rwandans. Two, there is also bad and dangerous history hidden since time immemorial, but endangering and endangering Rwandans plus visitors of near and far. Therefore, this dangerous history damages the old and the younger ones. Here I mean all the sexes plus their commodities. Their past history leading to discoveries was destroyed because they disliked the intellectuals because of excess hatred, ignorance, literacy, poverty in head, and leading to poverty in pockets. They don't need the rich people, the richer ones, the richest ones. They are not used to them. They are not used to the intellectuals, the elites, even if they are worldly elites. They need people of lower thinking, below them, that is self-loving, leading to destruction of our mother country. That is knowledgeless. Since long, long ago, history has it that this one has been the silent weapon, finishing each other internally here. This cancer is within the educated and non-educative ones in all sexes. So I, the RUDA President, Barafinda Sekikubo, I have come to uproot this long ago problem, or the problem of long ago, which became menace in Rwandans, all sexes. This problem is too much ignorance due to poor education, be it formal education or informal education. In all sexes, the rich do not wish or doesn't wish the poor ones to survive or to move from step A to step B economically and plus. This is due to the roots of ignorance, illiteracy, poverty in heads leading to poverty in pockets and plus. Different kinds of diseases cropping day to day, every hour, every minute. Men and women die of diseases. Here, since diseases have become lakes and rivers where Rwandans swim, they are also killed by these diseases, uncurable ones, who will treat and stamp out these hidden and unknown diseases. This is Professor Barafinda Sekikubo. I have come at the right time, the ripe one, to remove all these negative charges into man's brains, to change the bad into the good. You cannot transform the building before transforming the brain centers. Deformation of brain centers will demolish all the highest buildings and strongest ones, hence leading to genocide. Those are the root causes of dangerous situations in Rwanda since time immemorial. The open ones and hidden ones. Here I mean the dangerous situations Rwandans have ever been swimming in since time immemorial, in centuries and millenniums. They are just mentioning the current history, but they are not outlining on the past concerned history, which one can refer it as the root cause of the current situation. So the younger ones don't know the real image of the past history of their parents, grandmoms, and fathers. Therefore, this is the real time to decolonizing Africa, decolonization of Africa, redecolonization of Africa is among the main agenda of the RUDA. RUDA is the peaceful political party created on 14th July 2015 and was announced publicly worldwide in the broad daytime. Therefore, RUDA is in brief, is in 5 letters. Each letter writes, each letter stands a meaning. Each letter can stand in full. Therefore, RUDA in full is Rwanda Revolutionary United Democratic Advances for 200 good many causes on Rwanda, 2,000 good many causes on Africa, to decolonizing Africa freshly and redecolonizing Africa constantly and never to relinquish. Dechaining Africa and Africans. Africa was chained since time immemorial, long ago, by unknown visitors and left for their motherland. But why? You fellow dangerous Africans stay along with those colonial borders, finishing all our fellow Africans for no good reasons. Therefore, serious conclusion, the conquer one. Serious medicine, the conquer resolution. The main agenda is to remove all those African stumbling borders, whether you like it or not. Speed and diplomacy is our strongest and international diplomacy agenda. Whether you fellow Africans, you need it, you wish it, you want it or not. The quickest democracy and her waves are coming like strongest erosion, sweeping away all those stumbling blocks in Africa. So Africa gonna liberate herself, and Africa gonna be liberated by Africans themselves. Africa gonna be liberated by the God. And this is the last suffering deaths. Here I mean periods, and never again, until for further notice of God. Therefore, I, the RUDA President, with my strongest ladies and gentlemen, equivalent to 10.5 almost now, using speed and diplomacy, Barafindarization in Barafinda style, using all ways of skinning an animal without damaging it, we are to remove all those stumbling blocks, so-called the past colonial borders still existing on African land. Here I mean those Chinese on African legs, stopping them from moving from one land to another. Moreover, is of common Africans, all sexes. There should be no stumbling block. Since Congo history is there, Congo geography is there, Congo politics is coming and is in place. Since pure economics and Congo economics pure mathematics and concordance. In concordant mathematics, we are to calculate mathematically and never to miss out the better points. Our main agenda is to dechain Africa and the Africans without delaying and without any mercy. If you are strong and you resist to support these colonial borders inside Africa, you alone get to know that no one will stay behind you with your personal interests. Gains, you have gained a lot in many centuries, many decades, years and their children. It is the last time and lasting periods, and never again. You man or a woman, you are short-lived. You should not set the sets of laws to damage Africans. So we, the liberators, we have come. Whether you like it or not, the forces of the quickest democracy gonna force you to change, whether you like it or not. We have gave you enough time to experience using your time profitably, maximally. You have failed in totality. Therefore, the new lasting solution and resolution is to stamp out all factors and factories delaying and killing Africa and Africans economically, politically, socially, and in humanitarian lineages, leading to peace, never in pieces. So, let us unite together and form USA too, the United States of Africa too. In failure to do that, the waves of democracy, here I mean the quickest democracy, you are not used to. Gonna show you the streams and the erosional forces to win you, to overwin you overwhelmingly without mercy, and showing you the indicators of the internal and external forces from bottom and from up. They will and they shall all fix you together in a single piece of certain item. Because of the waves of the forces of the quickest democracy, people shall not fail to enjoy their quickest democracy because of you single man, single woman. Never at all. For further more information, you just contact us in 24/7 at our cellular number +250 78 34 28 622. This is the last warning from human being to human being. Having being ordered by the real serious God to remove all those dangerous human beings endangering others into gorges and a canyon. Therefore, we the rulers, Rwanda Revolutionary United Democratic Advancers, we gonna advance hither and yon in the broad daytime. In all 24/7, speed and diplomacy is our main agenda. In a total combination, I, the R2UDA president, founder, and international representative, Barafinda Sekikubo Fred, this is the real time, the ripe time to dechain Africa, dechaining Africa to dechain Africans, chaining fellow Africans. This is the main African agenda. The specialists we have come. Redecolonizing Africa and redecolonizing Africans. Also another main agenda. All people around getting the notes. Here I mean the real Conco information. You are concerned too. To put your knees down and release fellow Africans before they stand and work upon you, you just visit us at www.ruda.tk. Much more information. Gonna meet you, gonna face you physically fit. Ever stay tuned and never to go berserk.